Chapter 7. Our Body System. Stepping Up. Organs, Organ Systems. Did you know, children, the human brain weighs about 3 pounds? It comprises 60% of fat and is one of the fattest organ in the human body. Ma'am, please tell us some more such interesting facts. Do you know? The only part of the body that has no blood supply is the cornea of the eye. Is it? Wow! 50,000 cells in your body died and were replaced by new ones while you were reading this sentence. Ma'am, my dad was telling that a human heart pumps 182 million liters of blood during the average lifetime. True. Can anyone tell me which is the largest organ of our body? We don't know, ma'am. Please tell us the answer. Well, skin is the largest organ of the body, with a total area of about 20 square feet. The skin protects us from microbes and the elements, helps regulate body temperature, and permits the sensations of touch, heat, and cold. Some organs in the human body: brain, lung, heart, eye, nose, kidney, arm, leg. Organs. Our body works like a machine. Machines have different parts which work together to help the machine run. Similarly, our body is also made of different parts like hands, legs, eyes and ears. Each of these parts can perform some special work. Parts of our body which can do a particular work are called organs. Some organs are situated on the outside of our body and can be seen by us. They are called external organs. Organs like the arms, legs, eyes, nose and ears are external organs. Some organs are located inside our body and we cannot see them. They are called internal organs. The brain, the heart, the lung, the liver, the stomach and the kidney are some of the internal organs. Organ systems. Some external organs do not work alone. Very often we use more than one part to do a work. For example, when you are playing, your legs, hands, eyes, ears all work together. In the same manner, different organs work in groups to help us in performing activities like moving, eating and breathing. A group of organs working together to do one common work is called an organ system. There are several organ systems in our body. The skeletal system. The skeletal system comprises different types of bones found in our body. There are 206 bones in the body of an adult human being. The skeletal system provides shape, size, form and support to the body. It is only due to the bones that we can stand erect and walk or move. Many bones perform protective functions like the skull bones which keep our brain safe from injuries. The ribs protect heart, lungs, liver, etc. The skull protects the brain. These bones hold up our neck. The arm bones, the ribs protect the heart and lungs. The backbone supports and links all the parts. The leg bones, 2 or more bones join together to form a joint. Joints help in movement. The muscular system. Bones in our body cannot move on their own. Muscles help bones to move. Together, bones and muscles allow us to walk, run, and jump. All the muscles in our body form the muscular system. Muscles are fleshy, stretchy bands that cover the skeleton. Some muscles are thick and some are thin. They are attached to the bones. Muscles pull on the bones and make them move. Some muscles work on their own, e.g., our heart muscles and the muscles in our lungs work all the time, even when we are asleep. The digestive system. The mouth, food pipe, small intestine and large intestine together make the digestive system of our body. The main function of the digestive system is to digest the food eaten. The food enters the body through mouth. Here it is cut and chewed into small pieces and is mixed with saliva, which contains a digestive juice. From mouth, the chewed food reaches the stomach through the food pipe. The stomach grinds the food in smaller particles and mixes several digestive juices in it. The food here is turned into a soft paste. We take in food through our mouth. Food passes down our food pipe. It gets mixed thoroughly in the stomach. The intestines take in what is needed from the food. What we don't need is thrown out through the anus. The respiratory system. Pharynx, esophagus, right bronchus, right lung, nasal cavity, mouth, trachea left, bronchus, left lung. The respiratory system is responsible for successful breathing in our body. Nostrils, nose, windpipe and lungs are the main organs that make up the respiratory system. During respiration or breathing, lungs keep inflating and deflating continuously. When lungs inflate, they suck air from outside through nose and windpipe. This process is known as inhalation. The walls of lungs contain deoxygenated, without oxygen, blood which absorbs oxygen gas from the air filled inside the lungs. Thus, the air inside the lungs falls short of oxygen and is sent out through the nose. When the air moves out, the lungs deflate and this process is called exhalation. The oxygen absorbed by blood reaches different body cells where it is used to produce energy or power. This energy or power keeps all processes of your body going. Breathing system. We take in air through our nose and sometimes our mouth. Air goes down the windpipe. It reaches the lungs which become big like balloons. Brain, spinal cord, nerve. The nervous system. The nervous system consists of the nerves. The nerves carry messages to and from the brain. The nervous system controls all our actions. The eyes, ears, nose, tongue and the skin are our sense organs. The through sense organs nerves are connected to the nerves are like telephone lines. When our sense organs feel any sensation, the nerves attached with these organs send messages to the brain. The brain identifies different types of messages and makes us understand what we see, hear, smell, taste and touch. Some blood vessels take blood to the heart. Heart pushes out blood to big blood vessels. The big blood vessel branches goes to all parts of the body. The circulatory system. The circulation of blood in different parts of the body is performed by the circulatory system in our body. The heart, blood and blood vessels are the main parts of this system. There are two types of blood vessels, the arteries and the veins. Arteries are thick-walled blood vessels that carry oxygenated blood, red, from the heart to different parts of the body. Veins are thin-walled blood vessels that carry the oxygenated blood, blue, from different parts of the body to the heart. Besides oxygen transportation, the blood also carries different harmful chemicals like urea or uric acid from different body parts and leaves them in the kidneys from where they are filtered out as urine and are stored in urinary bladder. From there, they are sent out of the body. The heart performs the central role in our circulatory system as it is only due to its movement, the heartbeat, that the blood moves into the blood vessels. A human heart has 4 chambers, 2 for oxygenated blood and 2 for deoxygenated blood. The excretory system. Harmful body wastes are sent out with the help of the excretory system of our body. The organs that make up this system are skin, lungs, kidneys and the large intestine. Our skin has many small pores on its surface. From these pores, it sends out many waste substances in the form of sweat. The lungs help in sending the foul air, mainly carbon dioxide, out of our body. Kidneys filter out the impurities from the blood and send them to urinary bladder as urine. From this bladder, these impurities are sent out of the body. Large intestine sends the waste materials from the digestive system out of the body. Let us say it again. The human body is made up of cells, tissues, organs and organ systems. The human body consists of many systems that work in coordination with each other. The framework of bones in our body is called the skeleton. Muscles form the muscular system in our body. Breathing is performed by the respiratory system. The mouth, food pipe, stomach, small intestine and large intestine are the parts of the digestive system. Heart is the center of the circulatory system. Kidneys, lungs, skin etc. are the main excretory organs of our body. Large intestine sends the waste materials from the digestive system out of the body. Exercise. A. Tick the correct option. 1. Two bones meet at A. A. Organ. B. Muscle. C. Joint. 2 tissues join together to form an A. Organ. B. Organ system. C. Organism. 3. The center of the circulatory system is A. Nose. B. Lungs. C. Heart. 4. The main organ of respiratory system is A. Lungs. B. Skin. C. Kidneys. 5. The harmful body wastes are sent out by system A. Respiratory. B. Circulatory. C. Excretory. B. Fill in the blanks. 1. Our body works like A. 2. A group of organs form an 3. The framework of bones in our body is called the 4. Breathing is performed by the system. 5. Large intestine sends the from the digestive system out of the body. C. Tick the correct sentences and cross the wrong ones. 1. The human body can be compared to a machine. 2. Organs can be external or internal. 3. Muscles form the muscular system in our body. 4. Heart is the main organ of the nervous system. 5. Breathing is performed by the respiratory system. D. Answer these questions. 1. What is an organ? 2. What is an organ system? 3. What function does the respiratory system perform in our body? 4. Which organs join together to make up the digestive system? 5. Write the names and functions of different kinds of blood vessels. HOTS questions. 1. Which sense organ covers our entire body? 2. Who wears the accessories shown here? A cricketer, a tennis player, or an athlete? Why do you think he wears these? Activity. Make a skeleton puppet. Take stiff card paper, a pair of scissors, and paper fasteners, split paper clips. Draw the different parts of the skeleton on the card paper. Cut the shapes and join each part with a paper fastener. Your skeleton puppet is ready. Life skills. There are some special children. Do you have any special children in your school or in the neighborhood? Find out what difficulty they face. You may find that they are either unable to hear or speak. Try to make one such a special child your friend. Try to communicate with him/her in sign language with your hand or facial expressions. Ask your friend about his/her feelings, happiness and desires. When you grow up, be sensitive to such people and help them. Teachers' tips. Explain to the children how and why the human body is compared to a machine. Explain to them that different parts of the body have specific functions. Make the children feel their bones. Demonstrate how breathing rate changes with exercising. Explain the importance of yoga and exercising. Create awareness and tolerance for differently abled children among your class and discuss thoroughly. Yogadi Sai is good for you. Yoga helps us in many ways. It helps us to develop strong and healthy body. It also helps us to increase our concentration and attention span. Yoga postures make our body flexible and support our body systems like respiratory, digestive, and circulatory systems. Do these simple asanas every day to make your backbone strong. Trikonsana. This asana gets its name from trikon, which means triangle. Trikonsana therefore means triangle pose. This asana is good for the neck, backbone, and legs. 1. Stand straight. Raise your arms to shoulder level. 2. Take a big step sideways, but balance yourself. 3. Slowly bend towards the right side and touch your toe with your right hand. Raise your left hand towards the sky and look at it. 4. Slowly go back to position 2 and repeat by bending to the left side.